Are Sony WH-1000XM6 worth it in 2025? An honest review and comparison. Welcome to today's review where we're talking about the Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones, one of the most anticipated releases of 2025. So, are these headphones worth the hype? Let's find out by diving into details. First of all, the design. The WH-1000XM6 stays true to Sony's signature look with sleek, modern aesthetics and a comfortable over-ear design. The build quality is premium and they are incredibly lightweight for all-day use, which is perfect for travel, long commutes, or even work sessions. For sound quality, as expected, Sony has nailed it again. The WH-1000XM6 features incredible noise cancellation capabilities, blocking out ambient noise with impressive precision. The sound is balanced with deep bass, clear mids, and crisp highs. Whether you're listening to music, podcasts, or making calls, these headphones deliver an immersive experience like no other. For the battery life, they come up with 30 hours of playback and a quick 10-minute charge gives you 5 hours of usage, making them perfect for long trips and all-day listening. Battery life remains one of Sony's strongest points. Now the comparison. When compared to other premium models like the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra or the Apple AirPods Max, it still holds its ground. So while the Bose offers a more neutral sound profile and the AirPods Max are great for Apple users, Sony's WH-1000XM6 offers the best value for the price, especially if you want top-tier noise cancellation and versatile sound quality. So is it worth it in 2025? Absolutely. With update features, superior sound, and excellent value for money, they remain one of the top headphones in 2025. Thanks for watching.